Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. As we all know, art can be an enjoyable hobby, both liberating and self-expressive. Whether you're a professional or someone who just enjoys the craft and overall experience. While this hobby can be fun, it also gets costly, especially if you're pursuing it as a serious career path. So in this video, I'm going to share ways to save money at Michael's, from tips to discounts. But before we get started, also be sure to check out part 1 and 2. I'll put a link in the description. Number 1. Be aware of good and bad sales. Sometimes coupons that are available may end up saving you even more money than the actual sale itself. For example, canvas packs are $19.99, but there's a sale for $12.99. Yeah, it's a decent sale. But waiting for a 50% off coupon will give you even more off. Who doesn't want to save more money? Number 2, look out for emails that say, "You were on a scroll." A lot of times, they contain great promo codes as well, such as 40% off your entire purchase, but you have to be a member. Number 3, keep an eye out for emails for $5 off your purchase of $5 or more. Again, you have to be a member for this as well. Number 4, when you buy canvases, you will sometimes receive a coupon code through email for 50% off your entire regular price purchase of fine art supplies. This includes brushes, canvases, and paint supplies. Number 5, be sure to check the Michael's site regularly if you choose not to become a member. There are also sales and coupons open to the public, such as 15% off, 20% off, all items including sale items, or 25% off, 30% off, or 40% off your entire regular price purchase. These sales can usually be spotted at the top of their site on the red banner. Thanks for watching, and I hope these money-saving tips help you as they've helped me. Good luck and keep creating. Also be sure to check out part 1 and 2. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Don't forget to check out my new website at www.bnwart.com/shop and subscribe for updates and sales. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_leeway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.